Hello everyone, how are you? Nice to see you again. Thank you for stopping by. I'm here to present you my latest project. This is a product that I'm really proud of it. Because I was bored, I didn't know knew what to do. So May Larson gave me some distressings and some colors I really didn't like them, and I was thinking, okay, how can I use them? So I took the back cover of a notebook. It was in craft color. It was, it didn't have any illustration design or plastic on it, so it was really plain and in craft uh, color, in craft quality. So I used various of the inks that she sent me, and I created a full leather journal. I kept it very plain and simple because I really loved. I don't know how you can watch it on camera if the camera capture it, but in real life it looks really like leather. And I don't know how the camera captures if you can see it, because I don't have a huge quality camera. I just have a webcam, and it has a unique spine. I like this type of spine. I have done it before. It's a bit harder to make it than the regular spine, but it's not that hard. It's really not that complicated one as you get the hang of it. And I love how it looks like real leather. It's a bit stiff. The paper is a bit stiff. It's a bit hard because it was thick paper, so it doesn't have the elasticity of leather, but it has the texture of leather and the optical effect of leather. I don't know if the camera captures it, but I really love this journal. I really love it. So let me do a quick flip through. So this is the spine of it, as I told you before. I really like it how it looks like real leather, so I didn't want to do anything about it. I just wanted to look like a real book. So the spine has four signatures, but the signatures are stitched in a way that it looks like honeycomb, I think you call it. So let me do a quick flip through. Inside all the papers are originals. They are not printables. They are original papers, and they are from various books. Like this is from a botanical book. It doesn't have any pockets. It doesn't have any ephemeras. As I told you, I wanted something plain and simple. That's my style. But it has tons and tons of washi tape. So we have mushroom washi tape. This was given to me by Woo Zuzu. Oh, I don't remember the name. She's a Poland super talented lady. Mushroom washi tape, botanical. This is a mushroom um, washi tape that looks like a stamp, post stamp. Washi tape here. Vintage music paper. The papers are all originals, and they have various washi tapes in various places. This is from a book with birds, a small book with birds. This is again from the Poland lady. Botanical book. As you can see, no pockets, no ephemeras. It has some stitching. It has a lot of stitching actually, and tons of washi tape, and beautiful botanical books, and tons of place for you to write. This is a fruit washi tape. I don't know if you see it. I think they are limes or lemons. I don't know. Again, this is from the Poland lady. This is from a botanical book. Oh, come on. And as I told you, I loved it so much, the cover, that I wanted to look like vintage books. I like you have a book in your bookshelf and it's like that. Washi tape here again. So it was like that. And I didn't want to put any corners or tags or frame in the front or decorate at all. I thought that the leather, the faux leather look and the shape of the spine spoken there enough. You know, I'm more in the plain side. I like it more simple, more plain. It's more elegant. It's quite bulky. It has a lot of pages, but plenty of space for you to write on it. Sorry. So that's one signature. As you see, each signature has a lot of pages. Some washi tip here, birds, page, washing, beautiful camellia, washi. I love my washes, you know. Washi, I can hear. I love my washes. If you want to spoil me, give me washes. I have a wash addiction. Washi here. I could make a journal just with washes and plain pages and washes. Wash here, wash here. So here it's not a washi, it's actually a napkin, a decoupage on a piece of script. It was a page with letters and a decoupage this napkin. It's the back of that page. That's a botanical book page. Dictionary, washi again. And this opens like that. The typical book we all know from Edith, the Memories of a Edwardian Lady. Washi here, you don't say, I think this book may need a bit of washi. Washi here with mushrooms. Opens like that. All the pages are originals. And most of them are vintage. Washi here, washi here, and washi here. And some wash again. Wash again. And here. I didn't want it to do any other type of decoration, so I did a lot of washing. So here's the middle one, in the middle section. So as you can see in the middle section, you can see the cross stitch inside also, because since there are 4 signatures here, when you stitch your signatures together, you stitch them 2 by 2. So you stitch those 2 signatures, those 2 together and those 2 together. So that leaves a gap in the middle. So I put the middle cross stitch, and the middle cross stitch is for decoration. It doesn't really hold a signature. So this, the middle one, the middle axis. Let's say we have 3 rows of X's. 1, 2, 3. The first and the last rows of X's, because they are 4 signatures, the first and the last row of X's, it's holding the signature, but the middle one is just for decoration purposes. So the middle one, you can see it from inside. Some more botanical books, music part, paper, washi again, and we have the fly. Wash again, the vintage Polish book, opens like that. So as you can see, it's, as you can call it, naked or, you know, plain. Wash again. No ephemeras, no pockets, no, you know, no decoration, but it's not empty, and it has tons and tons and tons of space for you to write. And it's also, you know, you can decorate by yourself, but I told you I wanted to focus on the cover and on the stitching of the spine. So the inside was, you know, not my priority. It was, you know, something plain to fill the book. But all these pages, these for example, they are botanical pages from a vintage book. This is another decoupage of napkin on a script. More washes. I hope you're not bothered by the sound of the fan, but it's super, super hot. I can sit in the craft room without the fan, and I know it's loud. Apologies for that. Dictionary book, music paper, and that was the third signature. So here's the last one. They are similar, and we have tons of washi. I think I forgot to put some washi in this book. And botanical pages, and some with washi, and washi. And the designs for the washi are birds and flowers and mushrooms, stuff like that. Something that will go with the theme of the book, because and flowers, because the book is all about nature, you know, botanical pages and bird pages and stuff like that. So this opens like that. And some washi here. Opens like this. This is another decoupaged page with napkin. Dictionary, washi, flowers, washi, music, botanical, vintage page, this page, and that's it. And that's the back of side of it. Tell me what you think. Does it look like real leather on the camera? I don't know. I love this book. I really love it. The splatters, and I don't know if you can see the scratches. Can you see the scratch? I did it on purpose with the craft knife, and the corner that is damaged, like it's burned. I really, really love it. So thank you for watching. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for your love and support. Don't forget, share, like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell button so you will get notification. Tell me what you think, leave a comment. Hugs and kisses. We will speak soon. Bye bye.